are you calling? I get that, but this is not a full conversation, alright? Yes, but I told you I will come and see you. I get that, but I've just been busy, that's all. As I told you before, I have complete access to the cameras on the premises. No one suspects you're alive, and the only person that does that is heading to a mental institution soon. So you don't need to worry, all right? Look, you cannot lose focus now. You need to get what is rightfully yours, and he needs to pay. All right? Like I said, I will come and see you. We cannot have this conversation over the phone. All right, bye. Didn't she think this through? I guess she thought this was going to be a walk in the park. Ridiculous. Mr. Brown, yes, I was just leaving office now to head to the meeting. Oh, I got your memo, so I'll be there. Yeah, man, I got it. And yes, sir. So see you shortly. All right, bye-bye. Meetings after meetings after meetings. I think I have everything.
Hello, Dr. Grant.
Hi, Tiffany. I'm afraid I was just rushing out to a meeting, so we can talk another time?
Well, I'm afraid you're gonna have to cancel that meeting.
Oh? And why?
We need to speak.
If this is about your father's condition...
Oh, not my father. The medication. The unapproved medication that you've been giving to my father.
Unapproved? Who told you that?
He did?
He did?
Yes.
In his condition?
You wanna make this about a condition that you guys are going on about now?
It has to be about your father's condition. Would you like for me to give you a printout of detailed information of what's really happening with your father?
As a matter of fact, my father requested a list of the medications that you were using the last time I went to see him. That's the list that I want.
Okay, since you are so persistent on that list, I will have my personal assistant reach out to you. You can give her your email address, we'll send it to you. But like I said, I have a meeting to attend, so if you don't mind, we can take this up another day.
Oh no, we're going to do this right now. There's something suspicious going on with my father. He keeps on complaining about the medications that you've been giving to him. So I'm requesting that list today, right now.
Okay, Tiffany, humor me. How are you feeling?
No, I'm good. As a matter of fact, I'm great.
Oh, that's absolutely great. Because by the looks of things, you look very healthy. Now, I wonder what it would have been like if I didn't bring you back. I mean, save your life.